Welcome back to another video. I'm Troy with iGrow Salons, and I'll be showing you why you should sell hair extensions on Facebook over Instagram. So we're going to jump right into this. We're actually going to be setting up an entire ad campaign, setting up creative as well as the actual campaign itself. But I wanted to go through the actual Facebook ads data first. Right now, we're in the Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't know how to get here, just go to Google and search Facebook Ads Manager. Then you will click on Ads Manager. Then click on Go to Ads Manager. Then click on your name. Then you're there. Okay, so first thing we're going to do. So what I want to show you is on inside of your Facebook Ads Manager, you can see all your data. So this is a campaign that we already have run and it's off. It's a $99 any lint bundle special. You can see we got one purchase here on Facebook and then one on Instagram. But if you scroll over and you notice there's a difference in the cost. The cost on Facebook was $59. The cost on Instagram was $245. So you're talking about like almost 5 times or 4 times the amount on Instagram. So I say this is a little bit clickbaity because that's not always the case. It depends on your offer. It depends on your target market, all of those things where you should actually run your ads. So what we're going to do is instead of running these 2 placements together, we're going to actually split them up just to see how they perform against each other when they're like standing alone. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at one more thing, which is our click-through rate and our cost per click. So our click-through rate, notice the higher your click-through rate, the lower you're going to pay for traffic. Also, the lower you pay for traffic, the cheaper you're going to pay to get someone to actually buy your stuff. So what we're going to try to do, and this is the content preview. The only thing different we're going to do is add the graphic onto the actual video itself. So we're going to call out in the actual visual ad like $99 bundles any length. So let me grab something really quick. Any texture, copy. So we're going to create this inside of Canva. Let's see. It's just a really simple edit. Instagram portrait blank. Then we're going to upload that video. It's this one, I believe. Okay, so, and again, if you're here, please like this stream if you're learning anything so far. Also, if you want us to set up your ads for you or manage your ads for you, DM me on Instagram at iGrow Salon. So while that's loading, we're going to select this text. I like to use this text. It's called League Spartan. We're going to paste our offer here. All run raw bundles, 99, any length, any texture. Let's see. Then we're going to center this. Then we're going to do like 72 size and drag this up. Okay, so video should be done uploading. So we're going to drag this over here. See, no. And we're actually going to move this down. Then we're going to change the font to white so it can kind of pop. Then we're going to click effects, then outline, then turn this to black so it can pop a little bit more. Boom, there we go. Let's see how this looks. Let's make it a little smaller to kind of show more of the hair. Okay, like that. Okay, so that's done. And again, we know this content works prior to us doing this little small change, but this small change could give us a bump in our click-through rate, which will lower our cost per click, which will lower our cost per purchase. So that's downloaded. Okay, so what we're going to do is take this campaign and we're going to duplicate it. Clear. So that was this campaign right here, new ads 1204. Then we're going to hit this duplicate button, then duplicate with current settings, then hit the blue button, then duplicate again. So now what we have is a fresh ad campaign. All we're gonna do is, let's see, 99 deal. 99 deal. What's today's date? 6/19. And your objective is going to be sales. You're basically telling Facebook, hey, go find me buyers. Then we're going to go next. Then your conversion location is going to be your website. Then your pixel should already be installed. Hopefully you're using Shopify where it's automatically connected. Then your conversion event is going to be purchased. So you're basically telling Facebook, hey, find me people that are likely to buy. And remove that. If I ignore it, you ignore it. We're going to do a $30 per day budget. And United States. And we're going to do Advantage plus targeting. So the only thing we're going to do is change the placements. So this one would be Instagram only. So we're going to deselect everything but Instagram. Ad plus Instagram. So ad plus just means Advantage plus. That's the targeting that we're using. So that part is done. Then we're going to hit next. Then what we're going to do is, so ad setup, you're going to go create ad. Actually, let me copy that. You know what? Give me 1 second. Copy this URL, paste, open. That's just to save the URL. Then we're going to copy this. Okay, so instead of using this in post, we're going to create the ad. Remember, we created our ad in Canva. It's going to be single image or video. Turn this on. Then add media. We're going to add a video. Then upload. And this is our new content. Then next. Make sure this is all sized properly. Next. Done. So we're going to paste our primary text. All raw bundles, $99, any length. Shop now, ladies. Tap the shop now button. Then our headline, which would only, I think headlines only show on Facebook. So we're going to just copy this part and put that as our headline. Then your call to action button is going to be shop now. Okay, so now we need the URL. Copy. Paste. Okay, so that's done. So we have an Instagram placement with one ad. There we go. So now what we're going to do is click these 3 dots and we're going to duplicate this. Now we're going to create a ad set for Facebook. So actually what I do need to change is the budget. We have a $30 per day budget, so we're going to split 15. So let's go Facebook. And remember, we have to come down and change this placement to manual, then deselect everything except Facebook. But let me see, Instagram's tripping. So it looks like we're gonna have to manually deselect all Instagram. I don't know why it's doing that. Instagram stories, search. Okay, let's see. Nope, we're still missing something. Profile. Stick with me. Reels. Let's see. Okay, now we're good. Okay, so let's see. $15 budget here. Then we change our budget over here. 15. Then so everything else is copied. So same ad, same caption, same link, URL. Let me see. I think this was giving us an error. Start date is in the past. Okay, let's change this to 7. Okay, this should fix that. And change this to 7. Okay, so we have one campaign promoting this $99 bundle deal. We have one ad set going after people specifically on Instagram with this one ad. And we have one ad set specifically going after people on Facebook. Again, we're just trying to split up both placements just to see which performs best when they're just by themselves. So this is good to go. Then we're going to hit publish. Then these ads should be up and running in about 2 hours or so. So I'll do a follow-up video just to see how they're performing, maybe like 7 days from now. Then I'll publish that. Again, comment if you want that follow-up video. I'll reply to your comment with the exact link to that video. Again, if you want us to do this for you, go ahead and message me on Instagram at iGrowSalons. Also, if you found this video helpful or useful, give me a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.